for sure.
fidget board.
Hey, why would you throw that?
This is gonna sound insane, but I didn't.
I just watched you throw it.
What's happening? Excuse me.
What's going on? Oh, is your soulmate controlling your arm?
My soulmate better hope I don't find them because this hand still works and it wants to hit them.
You need to calm down. What are you doing?
Please, I just want a sip of water.
Why are you struggling right now?
My soulmate hates me.
They probably don't. You're just dramatic. Oh, wow. Maybe they do.
Okay, this is getting personal.
What did you do to them? Who knows the answer to number 7? Go ahead, Bailey.
42.
No, the correct answer is the Nile River.